ka Myntri ka tanat ka Koit ka Khiah ka Jilla ka kong Amperin Lingdo hakat Santarik Leber ka let Jurip ya ka Civil Hospital Shillong ringkat ki officer ka tanat. Hakani ka jinglet Jurip ka kong Lingdo ka la kren ru bat ki nongpang ki badonnya ka jingpang bampong lani cancer. Ka kong Lingdo ka laong ba ka jingpang bampong ka day ka wayna ka jingpang ka basyim kambun ki jingim hapo ka Jilla Meghalaya bat ka layat hu ru baka sorkar kalabu dakat hong bantel akam Iaka ni ka jingpang.
You have the more modern versions or you go for the old fashioned inspections at the operational cancer wing of the civil hospital has been a big eye-opener for me personally. I am aware that there were a lot of unanswered questions about when this cancer institute in the civil hospital complex become fully operational. And as you yourself saw that, tremendous efforts put in to ensure that we are reaching out to patients across the board, across gender, across ages and age groups, because it has now been established that cancer is one of the biggest killers in the state of Meghalaya. The team of doctors are well versed with what is needed to get done, and they are well prepared and preparing forward to ensure that we upscale the facility of this cancer institute as well. Because of the jargon that will probably be a big hurdle for me to explain properly, I think we should give them an opportunity to explain this facility to the people of Shillong and the state of Meghalaya more efficiently. I think they've done a very good job, and the government has also come up with a mission, a cancer mission. Now, the very fact that we call it a mission is because we have to combat cancer as a disease on a war footing if we want to address this big problem that the state now is faced with. I would request Dr. Anisha and Dr. Luxty to brief the press as to what exactly is this